Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F20 M135i in mineral grey. It's a 2016 16 plate. Here's the 5-door hatch version. Comes with some very nice BMW optional extras, and of course we've added a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Being a 2016 year model, does come with the facelift LED headlamps. The alloy wheels are the original 18-inch 436 double spoke alloy wheels in BMW Ferric grey. Sitting behind there, you'll see the M brakes, of course. Down the side, we've got a very clean and tidy M135 here for you. You'll also see the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and the sun protection glazing, which is, of course, a really nice option. It does also come with the shadow chrome line additions with the wing mirrors and, of course, the additions on the front bumper. For the interior, it does come with a full coral red Dakota leather, and both drivers and passengers can enjoy the electric lumbar and heated seat options. We've also got that very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound, and as well as the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, of course. The interior is very clean and tidy on this vehicle, which matches the exterior. We've also got a spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. And before heading round to the rear, again showing you off those fantastic 18-inch alloys, we've also made the addition of the spoiler extension, as you can see there, which is in satin black. Round at the back, you do of course get the standard double exit exhaust and the very nice shadow chrome line M135i badges. Very spacious boot, of course, and you can also split fold the seats for further room should it be required. And as soon as I enter the car, we'll start the car up, and towards the end of the video, of course, I will give you a sound demonstration of this wonderful vehicle. Round at the driver's side, again, everything is very clean and tidy, and those few additions we've made to the vehicle make an already very good looking car even nicer looking. And shortly I'm going to hop on inside and just walk you through a couple of this vehicle's interior details in a bit more depth. However, the main thing to do, obviously, with a M car is just give the car a start up. The moment you do so, it becomes a very special experience. We've got the BMW business navigation and media screen on this car. We'll begin with the sat nav, which is again a really user-friendly system. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with DAB, and we do of course have a wide array of other multimedia inputs. External devices will cover you for USB, AUX, and of course Bluetooth input. If we go back to the main menu in just a few seconds, we'll go to the service requirements screen. It does come with dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats, of course. It's currently covered just over 43,000 miles, and again, a thing I really do like about M cars is the fact that it always reminds you of what vehicle you're in. We'll pop the vehicle into sport, which will of course open up both sides of that wonderful exhaust system. Into vehicle information now. And again, things are a little bit different in here, because not only do we have a display of the tyre pressures, we can also view tyre temperatures, which is something unique to the M cars. Into service requirements now, you'll see there everything is highlighted in green, and the next engine oil service for this car is due in 11,000 miles time. So without further ado, we will of course get on to the all important part for some, which is of course giving you a little sound demonstration of a wonderful sounding car. Even with a standard exhaust, they do make a very nice noise. And of course, thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around. If you would like some more information on the car, you can find all of the relevant information down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.